What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel again. So I'm just going to go over Vechain for you today. So what I've done is I've just left basically everything on this chart from the last video, as you'll be able to see if you did watch that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to, in fact what I'll do actually, I was going to clear it, but what I'll do is basically what I was saying here, so I'll just get rid of that just to clear things up. And I was saying, you know, this is your lower high base before putting this lower low, this downtrend. And what I said was, you know, if you start breaking out of this structure, and then you can get your retest, and you'll be able to look for your continuations then back up higher. But what's happened is, if you look there, we've pushed up, and we have broken, closed above this area, right? And you can see that with that candle there. But then what's happened is basically we broke out, and then we broke back in, which you can see there. And what's happened is you do get this sometimes, that you start to think that price is going to break out of structure, and you could have thought that with that big 4H candle there, with that volume coming in. What's happened is it's broke out, but then obviously the buyers haven't been there, and it broke back into the structure. So this is still technically in a downtrend. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clear all this off, because it's just a little bit messy for you all to see. So what I'm thinking is happening here now, and this is basically, you know, Bitcoin has been pulling back today and over the night. And I'm from UK, Manchester way, so this is, you know, currently it's 11 o'clock here for me. So what you can see is we've pulled back into this area of support here. So what I'm going to be watching for now is basically to see how price reacts around this level. You know, because you could potentially get your wick formations coming on here, and if you was to scale down your lower time frame, you might actually then be able to get some opportunities back up. But what we'll be looking for as well on the other side of the coin is just see if you get that break and close below this structure. And I know it's not what everyone wants to hear, basically, of a bearish, you know, formation, but there is the chance that we could potentially just break and close below this structure, and then if that happens, we'll be looking see if we get that continuation then back down into these lower levels, like I was saying, because this is bearish market structure really, going off things, you know, lower high, and we did tap into this level of support and we bounced off, but you can see there we've bounced back into basically back into this downtrend. So yeah, not really too much more to say about this. Sorry if you can hear my phone going off there. But yeah, I'm going to be watching closely. As you can see there, we are getting some wick formations coming along on this, but nothing too serious yet. So I'm just going to be watching closely, and I will keep you updated, just to basically see how this price action forms over the next day or week. Maybe I'll do 1 or 2 videos, maybe 3 at the most on Vechain each week, just to keep you updated. But as of now, you know, I'm still feeling a little bit bearish about this pair, unless we was basically to get like some bullish structure forming here, and then we can get that continuation, and then basically if you start breaking and closing above this level, I would go for now. If you start getting a break and close above there, then you could look for your continuations back up. But as of now, fairly bearish, I would say. That's basically it. Not going to waffle on too much longer. Anyone's got any cryptos they'd like to go over, just let me know in the comment section. I'd be happy to go through them for you. That's it though, everyone. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.